with support from Interact for Health. For showcase and conference information, visit uacvoice.org.
Today at noon on Fresh Air, Madeleine Albright's new book. She writes, some may view this book and its title as alarmist. Good, we should be awake on the assault on the democratic values that has gathered strength in many countries abroad. That's today at noon.
Support for WVXU comes from the Charles H. Dater Foundation, enriching young lives by making grants to nonprofit organizations in Greater Cincinnati for programs and projects that benefit children, teens, and young adults. More information at daterfoundation.org.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from Babbel.